Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing PLAVE's Plbbuu as well as their Caligo album. First we have these pictures. We have Uno, Yejun, Bambi, Hamin, and Noah. Here's the picture with everyone in it. Let's get started. The Plbbuu album comes at random. I got both the keychain and a card version. Let's see who I got. I have Noah for the card version. Okay, so I was saying it's so cute and I don't want to ruin the packaging, but look, it's already open. Okay then. First card I see is of Bambi, but I may flip it over last because it's holographic. I'm gonna start from the back. This is the QR code to listen to the album. I have Yejun and Cinema Roll. Next is Hamin. There he is. It says I have Uno and Hamin. And lastly, we have Bambi. Let's move over to the keyring version. I have Hamin. Feels very thick and soft. Here's the CD. It also comes with photo cards. This one. And this Polaroid. Okay, that is it for Plbbuu. Let's move over to the next album. I have the Vanguard version of the Caligo album. And the member I received is Hamin. We open it like this, and the first thing I see is the CD. We open it up again, and here are all the goodies. The credits are inside. First we have this book. It's a lyric book. Next are these stickers. Next is this badge or pin. I have another sticker of Hamin. It looks like it's a card sticker. I have this Polaroid of Hamin. And last but not least, I have these photo cards. Hamin. This is Hamin and Uno. Then I have all of them. And last but not least, Hamin. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I will see you next time. Bye.